Bore da, we're here of course for the 2019 Big Ideas Wales celebrated.
I think events like this are super important for Wales, in terms of showcasing the talent that we have in Wales and how entrepreneurial people can be when they're coming out of college, coming out of university, and really sort of embracing them and giving them a platform, I suppose, to really sort of be the best they can be.
It's always brilliant to see young people with such enthusiasm and want to go on in life and become entrepreneurs or do something entrepreneurial.
House of Callaway is an online business selling reusable menstrual products which I make myself. Events like this are vital to young people and young business owners really, because you can get the advice you need all in one place as well as interact with others who are in the same boat as you and discuss problems, challenges.
We're really proud to be involved because we're very passionate about supporting young people into exploring the next steps, be it setting up their own business or going on to other careers.
Okay, so our business name is called Actiplast. We use recycled milk bottles and reuse them to use physical activities equipment, and we will be a service going around to schools. So we came here today to pick up the award that we won, and we also talked to other people who are maybe in the same boat as us, young entrepreneurs that are seeking to make a new business.
When I was in school and starting my own business, I didn't have this level of support around me, so I really want to sort of give back to the young people and get them ahead of the game, in starting their own business.
All the young people that I've spoken to today have been incredibly passionate young entrepreneurs already, or that they've got ideas, they're ready to take them somewhere, but they don't necessarily know how to take that step forward. And it feels like there's so many incredible groups here that are there to support that journey for them.
I own Arfordir Clothing. It's based up in North Wales. It's a Welsh clothing brand that symbolises the Isle of Anglesey. Arfordir translates to coast. It all started in sixth form Ysgol David Hughes in Menai Bridge, where we had to participate in a Welsh-backed project. We had to make our own business. People were still asking for the clothes months after we did the innovation fair, so we decided to carry the business on, and we're going really well.